Hello internet marketers, my name is Leon Tran and today I am testing out the Blog Roll Link Exchange plugin, and I've already uploaded it to my WordPress dashboard, and now I'm going to activate the plugin. And what this plugin does is that it allows your visitors to submit a link exchange request with your website. So that means you're going to build backlinks with your visitors' websites, and you can set up as many link exchanges as you want. So after activating, head over to the appearance widget area. So inside your widgets area, your sidebar, footer, or whatever you have available, find the link exchange widget as seen here, and all you have to do is drag it to the area you want. Okay, just like that. And now you can give it a name, the number of links exchanges you want. So for example here, 10 means that you can exchange up to 10 different links with 10 different visitors or 10 different websites. And then you select the font and the color, the link color. Okay, so I've titled it Partners. The link color is blue. Let's save it. And now let's visit one of my posts and see what the link exchange looks like. Okay, so here I am, one of my posts, and here's the sidebar, and I've added the link exchange right here where it says Partners. So you can move this widget, so you can move the link exchange at the top, at the bottom. That's up to you. So right now it's at the bottom, and basically the visitors, they're at your site and they see that they can submit a link right here, submit a link, so that their website can appear here. So let's click on that, and it will automatically take them to the submit a link request page. And this is automatically created when you first activated the plugin. So all they have to do is fill out this form, their email, their anchor text, their link, and the link back URL. So they have to add a link at their website before submitting this link request. Okay, so let me quickly fill out these information. So here's what they would fill out. So their anchor text. So in this example, how to webmaster is my anchor text, and here's my link. If I was the visitor, and this is my link, and then this is my link back URL, which means I'm going to place a link for this website, mymarketingdeals.com, at this website, and in exchange, mymarketingdeals.com will have the link back to how to webmaster here. And let's click on submit, and it has been submitted successfully, and the admin of this website, My Marketing Deals, will have to approve it on this submit a link request page, and you can edit it from your pages. So here's editing the page. So basically just contains a link exchange form, and there's some information that you may want to include in your link exchange. So here are some recommended details to add to the submit a link request form. So you don't want to just allow every visitor with any kind of website to do a link exchange with your site. So for this example, mymarketingdeals.com has a domain authority of 16. So you don't want to add every link exchange with domain authority, say 0 or 1. So you want it to be similar to yours. So domain authority requirement for link exchange, in this case I'm going to allow the visitors from 10 to 20. And you can check domain authority, just Google domain authority checker, and you can use a tool like this, small SEO tools, domain authority checker, and then just add in your websites and any link exchange partners you want here. and click on the check authority, and the results will show here. Domain authority is DA. 100 is the highest you can get. That means it's the most powerful, very established, very high ranking. Here is my marketing deals, has 16 for DA. And how to webmaster is the visitor's website that submitted the link exchange request form. Has a domain authority of 29, so clearly this website has a higher domain authority, so that's even better in this case to do a link exchange with. And also, you don't want to just allow every kind of websites in all kinds of niches to exchange links with you. In this case, you may want to put a requirement saying only websites relating to a certain niche. So in this case, internet marketing in general, you would like to do a link exchange with. And then of course, the visitor must add in our link before submitting the form below to request a link exchange. So the visitor have to add in your website first. So in this case, mymarketingdeals.com, and with the following link anchor text, marketing deals, before they can submit this form and be approved. So you can add in these details if you want, and it'll show up here on the link request page right here. And you can manage all of your link exchanges here on the sidebar here. You click on link exchange and you see this page, and every time a visitor submits a link exchange request, you will be alerted with an email, and it'll show up here as draft, and click on edit. So here's what the visitor submitted. Their anchor text shows up here, the email, their URL, the link back URL, and any comments. And here's a cool thing with this link exchange plugin. It'll automatically monitor the backlink at the link back URL, so that let's say your visitor decides to cheat the system, and so they added in your website on their site, and then the next day they remove the link. So with the monitor backlink, it'll check daily to see if your link is present at the link back URL. All you have to do here is type in your website, and actually before publishing you should check the link back URL to see if it actually contains your website link, or you can just monitor the backlink and it will do it for you automatically. Then click on publish, and here it is. How to Webmaster is the visitor's website that you just exchange links with, and on their website should also have your link as well, and it's being monitored daily. And that's the beauty of this link exchange plugin. It's automatic. It monitors the backlinks for you, and you can build backlinks with your visitors pretty much passively, and you can add in as many links as you want, and it's super easy to manage. So it's a great little plugin to exchange links with your visitors. Thanks for checking this out. I hope it helped, and until next time, happy marketing.